Hello everybody, this is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we are standing aboard an in-stock Boston Whaler 2025 17 Montauk. This is one of the most popular boats we sell as a company and certainly in our area. I'm going to take you for a quick walkthrough and show you the options that are on this boat, how she's equipped. Again, it's available at Wakefield, Rhode Island MarineMax. So getting through our 17, very popularly optioned with the split bow rail. So you have a nice big chrome bow rail here for safety and for something to grab onto. But we love the split in the middle. It makes for throwing the anchor really easy. So that's one of the features on this boat. We also have the fore and aft seating package. So you notice we have these two cushions on the bow so that you have comfortable seating. Underneath the cushions, you'll have a locker for a fish box. You'll also have a locker for the anchor. These button in, button out real easily. They also split, fold in half for easy storage. So we do have the bow seating package on this boat. This also has the fishing package, which is probably the most popular option, mainly because of this seating arrangement in front of the console. So with the fishing package, you get this nice big igloo cooler with the big Whaler comfortable cushions for the seat rest and the back rest, adding 4 rod holders across the front of the console. This does add a tackle storage box in the side of the console and a compass on top of it as well. The boat is equipped with a bimini top to help get you out of the sun for those times that you need shade, which also folds up nice and easy for the times you want to be enjoying the sun. We have equipped this boat with a beautiful teak package as well. So you have teak steps for boarding on either side, and also the swim platform is covered in the teak as well. At the dash on our helm here, we do have a Simrad 7-inch navigation screen. This is going to be your all-in-one unit. It's going to be navigation, it's going to have depth, it'll have fuel information. So we do have this boat equipped with that. You have your nice dash here. We've got your Mercury gauge. This is an LCD screen. It'll display battery voltage, fuel, etc. And also TAC for RPM. All the nice switches across here for your horn, navigation lights, and manual bilge pumps. We do have the classic flipping backrest seat here. This has storage under it. This is for multiple positions, whether you're sitting forwards, sitting facing backwards, or you want to use it as a lean-to bolster for when you're standing up driving the boat. This boat does have the aft jump seats. These are removable. When you pull the backrest out, these turn into rod holders in the back of the boat, and then these just fold up nice and easy for storage. So you can flip these bars around and then tuck this away. You put it in as a backrest for the aft jump seats. The boat does have the Mercury 115 horsepower engine, which is required to have with the ski tow bar. So extremely versatile, well-equipped 17 Montauk for family cruising, fishing, and or water sports. The boat is in the classic Whaler white hull color with the classic Whaler red graphics. It's a very beautiful 17, well-equipped. Again, my name is David. This boat is in stock and available at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island.